Hello Earthlings, it's Monty Melon coming to you from Catalina Island. Today I'm going to be showing you how I packed for a month of travel in one carry-on. Starting first with, this cruise that I'm on. So keep that in mind when I'm showing you what I'm packing. I'm packing mostly, summery beach clothes, but also I have a couple items that are for a little bit colder weather for when I go to Europe. But yeah, stay tuned. Welcome to my voiceover. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to pack your cat. Just kidding. After you move the damn cat out of the way, I'm going to start out with shoes. Taking my white sneakers that I'm going to wear on the plane. Taking these cheetah print ones, and inside I'm stuffing it with my belts. I'm also taking flip-flops and sandals that will go with pretty much everything. I'm also taking little baggies to put them in so all the stuff on the ground doesn't get all over my clothes. I'm taking this hat, and inside the hat I'm putting workout clothes. This is my bag full of swimwear and shorts to put under all of my skirts and whatnot. I'm also taking these little shorts to sleep in. So this just contains bras, underwear, things like that. I'm taking this bag, crossbody, it zips, and within it I'm going to put this smaller bag for going out, or if I want to just mix it up. This little bag contains my quick dry towel as well as a mini one, but that's not shown on camera, I was washing it. These are all the tops I'm bringing. Okay, I'm bringing a lot of tops. I like to mix and match. I'm only bringing one jacket, and I'm bringing this little bag to put dirty clothes or whatever else I might need. This bag is full of all my bottoms and dresses / rompers. With all this stuff, I'm able to mix and match it a couple times to create more outfits. I'm taking this tote bag for groceries and anything else I may need. I bring a lot of bags, okay? And then this is how I kind of fit everything into my carry-on suitcase. I'm also bringing an extension cord. This is just what's going on in my carry-on. I'll have a whole nother video of what I take in my backpack that I also bring, as well as toiletries that I put within the backpack. So stay tuned for those videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.